Environment Canada has issued a severe weather bulletin for Northern Ontario at 3:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Wednesday, May 14th, 2014. Rain warning is issued for West Nipissing French River and North Bay, Powassan, Mattawa. Environment Canada has issued a severe weather bulletin for Southern Ontario at 3:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Wednesday, May 14th, 2014. Rain warning is issued for South River, Burke's Falls, Western Algonquin Park, Lake of Two Rivers, and Bayfield Inlet, Dunchurch.
Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin des conditions météorologiques menaçantes pour nord de l'Ontario à 15h48, heure avancée de l'Est, le mercredi 14 mai 2014. Un avertissement de pluie est émis pour Nipissing West, French River et North Bay, Powassan, Mattawa. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin des conditions météorologiques menaçantes pour sud de l'Ontario à 15h42, heure avancée de l'Est, le mercredi 14 mai 2014. Un avertissement